Let me get the split times up and see what he can do then. Craig Green, number 42, who began, like many, the Fiesta Sporting Trophy, came through the Irish Tarmac Series in the European Rally Championship. He drove the Citroen for a time, concentrating for the moment on 71, then getting to the end of the stage. Top temporarily, at least in the Iron 20. All the thing given his track record is the fact that he was running so strongly. He done like a huge amount this year. He didn't get a works drive to start with, so he went off and played and did. Well, he's won 7 rallies this year, and he's the Irish champion. And he was rewarded with a works drive in Finland, which he did really, really well. Impressed the team exceptionally, which is why he's got this drive. Talking to his manager a couple of days ago, they're very hopeful he might get Australia's quickest in the first split. Not a surprise, arguably, but he is quickest in the first split. At the time he's got to try to beat.
Brenig has 3 or 4 events where he doesn't. Yeah, he's had 3 podiums this year. He meant to play down the hill. So Andreas Mikkelsen for the 2019. That's just getting on
Epa! Corregues, baita.
Bai. Gustatzen ezta? Baxi oso zuen.
Bai. Gidek ya Ömer. Subite txarrango da, Ubide oso istu horretik hor. Da hori, altzeko frenada hori.
Giorgio, ma ti do la salsa matei. Urri la città.
Io prima si sa se Piano forte va? Piano forte,
Ragazzi, how you doing?
Beginning, I was understeering a lot, struggling to find confidence. Negotiate, saying we are pushing as hard as we can. Always okay. So they are really pushing hard, and I think the point of seconds that here we are, lucky now down the hill, and the Citroen driver will make his way through the chicane down towards the bottom of the sweet land, and for a moment the car has picked up a bit more damage on the left front. It looks good. Lots of there, taking over the jump. Chapman now down there. The wheel off its ditch as well, looking on the outside, so you've got away with that. Now the long climb uphill, this is where you've got to have that momentum.
first sector point doesn't even come until you're well over 5k into the stage, climbs the hill, heavy braking for the next junction, and then another really fast bit that starts right now.
Yeah, I'm just going to watch on that, see if we can tell the difference between when the car actually comes back to that junction again, to see if we can see who's doing what.
So up to the jump, that we will go. Remember that he's got a 14:47.7 as a benchmark time, just like earlier on. He's very spectacular over the jump.
He did that first time.